Another ironic na naman. COMELEC orders 6 Senate bets, 34 party list to explain illegal campaign poster. Wow, pinag-explain yung mga ganun, pero yung Dynasty hindi. Ito yung article ng Philstar Global. The Commission on Elections or COMELEC has issued show cause orders to 6 senatorial candidates and 34 party list groups, compelling them to explain their continued posting of illegal campaign materials. Puro kayo pa-explain! Wala kayong action! Mga ano kayo, mga... Wait lang. Hindi, mali pala yung napipindot ko. Puro kayo puro kayo pa-explain. Wala kayong action, mga diba? Wait lang. Baka narinig nyo ha. Mamaya check natin sa replay. Baka maka-apekto na sa mga natin. COMELEC spokesperson Rex Laudianco said Wednesday, March 5 that candidates in the 2025 midterm elections have been warned. Puro kayo warning. Warned against violating the Fair Elections Act and COMELEC Resolutions 10-730 and 11111. Wow, ganda ng number na. Ito yung pinaka-ironic pa. These measures prohibit the posting of campaign materials in unauthorized areas such as trees, plants, footbridge, electric posts, plazas, parks, waiting sheds, and school premises. Diyos ko, yung sa trees may nag-viral na Camille Villar poster na pinako sa puno. Tapos explain lang ang gagawin nyo. Talaga naman mga wala. Mali. Sorry kasi manual yung pag-mute dito eh. Maririnig nyo pa rin ako kahit mag-sound effects ako ng ganyan. Minamanual ko yung yung pagpatay ng mic. Diba? Kasi kaya mga yan. Diyos ko. Ito sabi ni Laudianco, mayroon pong 6 na kandidato. Sana isa dyan si Villar, okay? Diyos ko. Mayroon pong 6 na kandidato para pagkasenador at mahigit 34 po na party list groups ang napadalhan ng show cause order. Ayan ang sabi sa programang Bagong Pilipinas ngayon ng PTV. May action. PTV. He added that they are awaiting the responses to determine whether the candidates and groups should be charged for violating election laws as the offense qualifies as a criminal case. Wait lang ha. They are awaiting the responses. Wag na kayo maghintay. May mga naman. Diyos ko. Ano sabi ni Laudianco, kasong kriminal po kasi ito na may pagkakakulong. Isa hanggang 6 na taong pagtanggal ng karapatang bumoto at perpetual disqualification to hold public office. Sana si Villar naman. Sampulan natin ang madala. Kaya kasi mga yan diba? Aside from imprisonment and a possible fine of 10,000 pesos for political parties involved, the Omnibus Election Code states that those found guilty will also be disqualified from holding public office, voting, and running in elections. So, sampulan nyo na, please. Di kayo puro warning, mga... Diyos ko. Laudianco said COMELEC will review the explanations submitted to determine if cases will be filed against the violators. Ito ulit sabi ni Laudianco. So, tinitingnan po namin yung mga nagsumiti na. Tinitingnan namin tinitingnan namin ang kanilang dahilan at kung meron man pong basihan, whether kakasuhan o hindi kakasuhan. Ito po ay pagdedesisyonan ng komisyon. Kasi pwede naman lumusot na, hindi po ako naglikay niyan. Diba? May mga paganon eh. Kaya sana yung mga loopholes na yan, nako! Since the campaign period. Since the campaign period began in February, Comelec has been actively removing illegal campaign posters which are also required to be made of cloth, paper, or cardboard, not plastic. Puro tarpaulin yung mga gumagamit eh. Saan ba gawa yung tarpaulin? Search natin. Where is tarpaulin made from? Canvas tarpaulins. Cotton naman siya. Okay. Pwede naman. Pero may PVC tarpaulin kasi. So, sana ma-check din nila yan. Kaso, wala tayong dyan, asa. Wala tayong asa. Ano masasabi nyo dyan, mga kaibigan? Comment down below.